Hello, my name is Jeff, CEO of Neuron Network. We have a system called Nurobotics that will generate income that most people only dreamed of. And I have a secret that will free everyone of not having enough money. My team of engineers have solved the Neuron code. Yes, a breakthrough code that will enable you to increase your income. Our system will tell you exactly when to access your ATM machine. Here it gives you an actual timeline and actual colors. Because this is about color system. This is not about me. This is about how you can see the colors live and be able to understand whether the price action or per se the value of the euro dollar or euro yen, euro pound. And there are a total of 28 currency that is intermixed right now. So that's what you're looking at.
The typical day trader who's sitting in front of his laptop or any sort of computer screen with the same sort of sophisticated intelligence that the big financial institutions have when they sit down in front of this. So you're going to be able to follow the steps, because what the system does is it interprets everything through these very, very easy to understand graphics and charts and signals. But you also have the protection of having an interactive, real-time, running DJ, so to speak, who is there with you, a experienced financial analyst, guiding you through this.
Without having the mentor or without having a coach standing right next to you and you expect to become a professional soccer player, if you don't get the certain techniques for you to raise that level of expertise, you're not going to go anywhere. You're going to be just spinning around in the same circle. So what we have here is a technology. As a moderator, his job is to just make the calls based on what he is seeing.
Mm-hmm.
He's not making the predictions of what's going to happen in the next 4 or 5 hour time frame. He's there as a verbal, while this system here is literally telling you. And I mean, if you see the color of what really happened this morning, from 3:30 this morning from European Open on a Euro Yen pair, this is a 5-minute chart. It has gone literally 100 pips.
What is a pip? Explain what a pip is.
Pip is, I'm going to keep it simple, is a unit measure. We have a technology, literally we are freeway to riches here. We're using a rollway diagram. If you know how to drive a vehicle, you're in good shape. All it takes is 30 minutes of your time, and we'll teach you exactly what to do. And then this is a typical traditional technology that you see out there in the open market. I mean, how would you ever know when to get into the trade? You have no idea. It's red, green, red, green, red, green. It's very, very, very complicated. This is what it looks like. Now, this is what we have. Very simple. Look at this, folks. This yellow line is considered a lifeline. We're at about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. About 9 o'clock, 9:30 is when the New York session begins. Prior to 9:30 opening, look what Europeans are doing, what everybody's doing before the market opens up in New York. Everybody gets posture into their position, just like a horse race. They all come out of their stalls, they posture. After a while, they go above the lifeline, it turns green, boom. 111 pips right up to the top. Then our system picks it out, it turns red on you. That's when we get out. So we've gained about 111 pips here in a matter of from 8:30, and look at the thrust signature that we have here. From here, boom, all the way out. Next category, selling. We can also sell too as well. As I showed you before, this is the roadway to success. 2800 hour. This is the Asian Open, folks, by the way. The last chart that I showed you was New York session. Thereafter, in the afternoon, the euro had gone back down. Okay, gone back down. We went into the trade. We stayed in the trade. We didn't break out of the trade because it didn't go past the HMA, which is hourly. Okay, I consider that as a middle of the roadway. This is how we teach, middle of the roadway. As it continues, we stayed in the trade, went all the way down till it surpassed the second guardrail. So we're going out 110, then going back down 120 pips. That's phenomenal.
I have something exciting to tell you. I am in complete control of my retirement and destiny. Teach me and guide me. Neurobotic system will open your eyes. Life's like that with Neuron.
My name is Nuro. Are you ready to trade?
41.36. It will tease you for a while. This is just like a game for them. It's all the bankers are getting in line. They're all putting their orders in their order baskets. They're counting the dollars because this is all pre-planned, ladies and gentlemen. They're not just doing out of whim. It's all pre-planned. What a nice drop. 41.19. Come on now. 41.20, 41.21. It's fluctuating. It hit the first guardrail. That red line that you see is touching it. You notice how it penetrated it, then it goes right back up to this particular bar. It goes up back about 62% or 50% retracement from the bottom. Let's give it some more time. It should hit 41.10 in the next 41.14, 41.13. We should. Let me go ahead and show you a scoreboard as well. See where we are with our pip. 29 pips we made. 4,300, 4,200. It's fluctuating. Okay, it's at 40.73. It's towards the bottom of the bottom. I think we made enough money here. We should finish off around 67 pips total. So that's a good profitability. There you go. 68. We're done. Like I showed you earlier, folks, you can make money going up and you can make money going down. Currently, we're going down once again, 44.05. Our Nurobot says to go down. And that's what we're doing, just following the instructions. We're not trying to be creative here. We're going with the trend of the market. As it gets created, we're going to go for the ride. It's at 44.01. The arrow points down. We're going to give you real-time instructions what to do every single minute of the trading time. It's 12:46 in the morning. Current trade is at 94 pip profit at 43.72. And we should finish off with a nice gain here at 170 pips. That's 17.0 profitability. We have plenty of expansion to do. We need all the help we can get.
Nurobot FX slot trading will definitely change your lifestyle. Join pre-launch sign up. Learn how to trade daily for free with the mentor program with Neurobotic trading system.
It's a movement. So look at this. Euro yen. That was a position that I posted. I started off with a 20, very low, just to see what the unit measures are. And these are, if you can imagine, this is almost 200 pips right now. 190 right there. And got in a position at a 123.73. Right now we're at a position of 124.81. That's a, I mean, come on, do the math, okay? And also it shows you the entry time of 1:31, today being 31st of January at 9:41 in the morning, okay? So that's still, 9:30, that's when the market opened, New York. So we're taking advantage of that. So what I wanted to show you was the exact entry, and it may not look much to you, but I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit, okay? Every one of these bars is 5 pips now. Now look at this move, 125.61. It moved up from here. Now it's going to consolidate a bit. Nobody is unloading this position. I wonder why. It's because it has more room to go to this level than maybe possibly to a weekly R2 position, which is a resistance, nice resistance. But if you look at our portfolio here, you're looking at 3 greens here. It's telling us it's an uptrend. And as I go over to the left side, here's the time zone. There's 11:30, 11 o'clock, 10:30. As I go to the, here we go, 9:30 is when the market has opened. Okay, East Coast, boom. All right, then it kind of like ranged a bit. Then it got excited. If you look at this, guys, look at this. Even on the previous day, it was down over here. Okay, 122.59. 122.50 area. Now it's over at 125.60. I mean, come on, that's 300 pips. Okay, that's 2 days of trading, and it's not giving up. It's still kicking it, Look at that, nice green. This is live, guys, so I just wanted to share with you. And there was if you can imagine, there are some components in there that has that has $100 to $200 per pip components. That's not the personal ones that you see here. I just want to show you a little one. Okay, that's a little earnings right there for one of the accounts. Hey, that's a pretty good earnings, don't you think? Total earnings are 419 pips, 420, at about $4,945 in one day. So, hey, join the club, will you? It's well worth it. You're gonna have some fun. Thank you so much.
Bye. Must go long. No! I need help.
Maybe you're too slow. You need to make an automated Forex strategy.
What?
A automate Forex strategy